So tasty, I'm told the kids won't even mind the veggies that are buried in this comforting, creamy broccoli cheddar soup. Chef Jeff with Smith's is going to show us his favorite way to make this cold weather classic, and it's one of the many things we celebrate about the seasonal transition is the soup is on.
Yeah, soup's on, and it's delicious, but more importantly, it's the easiest soup I've ever made, really.
Okay.
It is super easy.
We love easy, and we love veggie loaded, and I was surprised to learn that you put more than just broccoli in your cheddar broccoli soup.
Yeah, if we want it to taste good, we do, right?
Okay.
So the base of all French cooking is the mirepoix, which adds tons of flavor. If you're not familiar, it's celery, it's onion, it's carrot.
So not just a nutrition thing, but a flavor thing.
But flavor. So because you get the sweet from the carrot, the savory from the onions, and then the celery just kind of provides that interesting flavor.
Okay.
So I like to add all of that into a pot with some butter.
That's what you have going here.
And then you just basically are cooking this till the veggies are soft. It probably about 5 to 8 minutes that it's going to be in the pot.
How do you know? Because we don't want soggy, but we do want soft.
No, and we're going to cook it in the broth and stuff afterwards. So just until the onions look translucent is basically what we're going for.
But it could still have a little bit of a bite.
Oh yeah, you want texture for sure. I don't like mushy veggies in my soup. So after you've done all that, then the thickener comes in, the flour, which will create the roux, which is another French term we're working with here.
And I'm used to doing the butter and the flour separately and then adding it too.
Yeah,
is there a
you can do it that way.
difference, or it doesn't matter?
No, I don't think that it matters. I just like the idea of one pot, one time.
With you, for
and
sure.
so once that flour is incorporated, a little salt and pepper.
Okay.
And then liquids come next, which are chicken broth and milk. I'm using whole milk here. You could, for a creamier version, you could use half and half or even heavy cream if you wanted to. But
Jeff with the double pour.
Yeah.
That's a pro at work.
That's impressive work, right?
How long do we let that simmer?
Okay, so that simmers like 5-10 minutes. No, actually, I'll say 10 minutes because we want the veggies to be done.
Okay.
And that's what we have here. Do not put the cheese in until, no, you're good. I'm just saying, don't put the cheese in early. You put the cheese in right at the very end because it will get grainy textured if you add it too early.
Okay.
So right when the soup's done, turn the heat off, stir in the cheese, and you can go all that cheese.
All
just
of it
right
in.
at once.
Don't need to go bit by bit. It's not going to clump.
Nope, it won't.
Okay.
Just so long as you're stirring it, and then I'll let you go ahead and stir that.
Happy to.
And then basically the soup is done at that point once that cheese is melted, and it literally takes seconds for that cheese to melt.
You were right. You promised easy.
And then you're done.
Yeah.
Yeah, and so that cheese could melt a little more, but we get the idea,
TV
right?
time. Yeah.
But either way, delicious, hearty, satisfying. The kids will definitely love this soup.
Yeah, all whole fresh ingredients, which we know we can count on you for, Chef Jeff with Smith's. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Easy, creamy broccoli cheddar soup with a few extra veggies in there for flavor, but also moms will appreciate the nutrition box check too.